In this video, we are going to see interface of Microsoft Excel. So first, in your system, open Microsoft Excel application. After opening Microsoft Excel application, we can see there are three options: Home, New and Open. In Home tab, it shows blank sheet and various other templates. In templates, various templates such as business related, personal, budget, chart, etc. To open already saved file, click on browse option. Here we can search our file and also click on the open option and already saved file gets open. So here we have blank workbook option. Just click on that blank workbook option. This blank workbook or workbook is also called as spreadsheet. At the bottom left corner, there are various sheets available. By clicking on plus sign, we can open new sheet. We can give name to sheets by double clicking on sheet 1. For sheet 1, we are giving now document 1 or doc 1 name. So there is another method to rename this sheet. Just click on this sheet, or we can say right click on the sheet, and we will get, now here we get menu box. On this menu box, click on the rename option. Give name for the sheet 2 as doc 2. Now in this window at the upper part, we can see on the top of the worksheet there is a toolbar, or we can say ribbon. So here we have number of options like file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view and help. Now in home option we have number of tools. Here format painter. Now second option is insert. In that we can say pivot table, add-ins, recommended charts, different charts for working purpose. In page layout we have different themes. We can adjust our page also, width, height, scale. In formulas like insert formula, logical, text, time and date, lookup. In data we have get data, we can discover, connect easily, we can import data, sorting, filter, other many options here available. In review we have proofing. So number of options available, like so this we can use any excel like 365, 2021, 2019, 2016, any version of excel. So in this tab there is many extensions options available. By clicking on this arrow, the dialog box option will open here. Extension of menu displayed below that. Through this we can formatting the data. So here we have number, alignment, font, border, fill, protection, different options we can explore here. At the top of the sheet, autosave option is also available. At the right corner, we can say we can view entire worksheet. We can worksheet view options here. There are worksheet view options like normal, page layout, page break preview, zoom, zoom in and zoom out. We can here zoom and zoom in by using this option. Okay, after this is called cell. We have different cells we can name here. In this worksheet there are multiple cells. So in that horizontal cells, commonly we can say rows, and this is called as a column. These are vertical cells, we can say column. If we click on the cell, or we can say if we click on particular cell, its name shows on the name box. For example, C3, C column and third row. Now I am going to select this area. We can select range of cells by doing this. For example, C3 to J12. Now I am selecting this range is C3 to J12. This range is C3 to J12. So this is particular range. After this, we can say this function option. We will see this function option. Insert function. We will get select function like sum, average. Okay, here directly we can enter our formula, insert data in the sheet. So let's enter some data here in this sheet. Type 1, then next type 2, and just select this box, or we can say different cells 1 to 3. At the right corner we will get plus sign. Drag that plus sign towards down. We will get 1 to 10 numbers serially. So there is no requirement to type each and every number, just drag plus sign at downward. Now we can enter data into different cells. Now like that, just type John, after that Joy, after that I am entering here data Ajay, Vijay, Vinay, go, match. Just like that, enter some data here to perform some actions. Okay, goal and done. Okay, so I am going to select this data whatever I enter here. Like this we can enter any type of data here. Then go to file menu, click on the save as. In option, give the name of that file whatever we want to give, and after that click on the save option. Now here we can see the change name is displayed at the top of the sheet. So this is basic of any Microsoft Excel file, how to save, how to enter data, and introduction of worksheet. In next video we will see data manipulation.